Once you've completed the installation and registration of your SmartThinQ app, you can connect your appliances. Log in to the SmartThinQ app using the email and password that you registered with. Now press the plus button and choose refrigerator. You'll first need to answer some questions concerning your appliance. Since LG Wi-Fi enabled appliances do not use tag on, select no. Answer yes if it has the SmartThinQ logo. When asked if your appliance has a touchscreen, you'll answer no in most cases. The app will ask you to find the Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi Connect button on your refrigerator. So press and hold that button for 3 seconds to start the connection. You'll see the Wi-Fi LED begin to blink. After starting this process, the app will prompt you to select your Wi-Fi network and enter your password if needed. Now your refrigerator is connected. To connect on Apple iOS devices, follow the same steps as far as connecting on Android devices until step 7. After that, go back to the LG SmartThinQ app and click the right arrow to open the Wi-Fi settings. Click Verify Connection. The app will prompt you to select your Wi-Fi network and enter your password if needed. Now your appliance is connected. Now that your LG Smart Refrigerator is connected to the app, what can you do? With a quick glance, you can check the temperature settings. If needed, you can easily adjust them. Turn on Ice Plus to help make ice quickly for your dinner party while you're still at work. It also provides a quick freeze if you just stock the freezer with fresh meats from the market. If you need to quickly remove odors from the refrigerator, you can turn on the power mode of the fresh air filter and get an automatic alert when the kids forget to close the door. So now you're connected to your appliances with a glance of your smartphone or a simple voice command, knowing that LG Smart Appliances are working hard for you. So maybe you can disconnect a little more knowing that life's good.